Zimbabwe's biggest music fiesta is back. Catch all the exciting performances live on ZTM Prime and ZBC TV from 6:30 p.m. on April 18. Sulu lights up the stage with his unmistakable Indira vibes, whilst Endi Muridzo gets you into the party mood. Agatha Murudzwa and Metias Mere will uplift your spirits on a high praise with the best of gospel music. And Jam Master is upon the place alongside DJ Fontan to give you Zim dancehall lovers all an unforgettable experience. And what's a party without Sungura? Nicholas Zakaria and Mark Ngwazi step forward to dish out their lyrical masterpiece. Other artists to look forward to are Sandra Ndebele, Diana Samkange, Chief Wenje, Biom Dimba, Big Boy Morty, Chantal Sitole, and Simon Mutambi. Catch the 2024 Independence Day Music Fiesta. Don't miss it.